Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you found yourself. My name is EjikeCrypto. Today I'll be teaching you, or I'll be talking about trading features using BingX. Trading features using BingX. So the first thing you need to do, haven't come into the platform, the first thing you need to do, haven't come into the platform, is to fund your account, is to fund your wallet. How can you fund your account? You need to click on deposit, then you select you select USDT. You select USDT. So there are networks. We have ERC20, we have TRC20, we have BNB, Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, Arbitrum, and Optimism. So these are networks that you can use to deposit USDT to BingX. So the exchange we are talking about here is BingX. They are the official sponsor of Chelsea FC, of Chelsea. Yeah. So all you need to do now is to fund your account. First of all, you can copy the TRC20, which is one of the cheapest. You can see the address. So you copy the address, you say it's copied. Then all you need, the next thing you need to do is to move to the next exchange or wherever you have USDT. If it is in your Telegram, if it is in your Binance, if it is in your OKX or KuCoin, copy this address, paste there and withdraw USDT and come here. The reason why you should come to this exchange and trade is that there are a whole lot of incentive now that this exchange is giving. You know, the big names, they have made them and they no longer care about you, but BingX has come out to care about you, to care about your trading, and to share with you and to give you incentives and bonuses as you hit levels. So haven't done this, haven't copied the address and moved to your exchange, in less than no time, maybe 1 minute highest, the money will be reflected. So once the money reflects in your account, you have to go back. You use your cursor to go back. So once the money has entered, where you are going to see the money is for you to go to assets. Once you go to asset, you go to funding. You click on funding. Yes, you click on funding. As you can see on my funding now, I have 300 USDT on my funding wallet. I have 300 USDT on my funding wallet. So this money has not entered my features wallet. Remember, I told you this is homepage, this is asset. Haven't First of all, click on deposit, click on USDT. I'm repeating this because of those who do not actually understand quickly. You click on USDT TRC20, copy address, go to your exchange and pay. Haven't paid, you would have to come back. Where you will see that money that you paid, you have to come to asset, come to funding. You can see funds, you can see it, USDT, 300 USDT. Now, for you to trade in features, you have to click on features. You have to click on features. You have to click on features and you must transfer money to features account. You must transfer money to features account. So you click on transfer money to features account. So we are trading with um USDT perpetual features. USDT perpetual features. So you can see my fund here. If I want to transfer the USDT, you can see the maximum I have is 309 cents. So if I want to transfer the USDT now, I will just click 300 USDT. Once I click transfer, the money will be transferred in my features account. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back. Now, haven't transferred money in your features account, haven't transferred money in your features account. Click on this place you are seeing a BingX sign where it says trade. So you can see it has brought the the USDT perpetual and coin M. That one is new, and standard features. You understand? So we are looking at what? USD perpetual, USD perpetual, USDT perpetual, the first one. That is the one we are talking about. And I want you to focus on I want you to just focus on BTC USDT. The reason I want you to focus on BTC USDT is that this pair, we are actually in the bull season. Yeah, we are actually in the bull season. Even if it goes down, it recovers quickly. And yes, even if it goes down, it recovers quickly. And remember, BTC happens to be the one that gives strength to every other cryptocurrency. In fact, when BTC coughs, every other cryptocurrency in the market, in fact, they nosedive. Do you understand? If BTC is losing 5%, some will be losing 30, 40, 50%. You can imagine that. So you should focus on BTC. And another thing why you should focus on BTC, USDT, Y3, so that when it goes down by 5%, you see that you are not losing much. You understand? Unlike when you are trading other pairs, they are using like 10x and the BTC goes down by 5%. Those ones start losing by let's say 15%. This then multiply it by the amount of leverage that you have taken. That means you might be liquidated easily from those coins. That's why I want you to focus on BTC USDT because it is a driving force in the cryptocurrency market, seconded by Ethereum. So these are two coins that I would want you as a beginner, as professional, to focus on because BTC happens to be your mirror. So BTC, just as in the FX market, we have things that we look at. We have trading view that helps of DSY that we look at to know what dollar index what is doing. BTC happens to be our mirror here to watch what will happen in other cryptocurrencies. So now, having deposited your money, another way you can actually deposit your money or transfer money from your funding account to futures account. Look at this place. You are seeing 3.318 USDT. You are seeing one arrow east and west. You can click on that arrow now. Look at it. I can click on it. You say add fund. You can say transfer available on my USDT, and I see I have 300 USDT. So I can click transfer. I can click transfer now. Once I click transfer, I can add the amount I want to use. Let's assume I want to use, let's say, $20. I can now transfer $20. I already have money in the trading account, in the futures account. So I'm just giving you example. So back to where we are. Remember this place you are seeing these two blue short arrow. So that is exactly how you can actually transfer money from your funding account to your futures account. So now, having come into the futures account, uh, there are a whole lot of things that you need to take cognizance of. We are looking at leverage is what a multiplier that helps you to multiply the amount that you stake in the market. Let's look at this place now. You are seeing 10x. I pegged it as 10x leverage. You can use more than 100 or 125 leverage could help you. Leverage could also kill you. Do you understand? That means if what this leverage actually means, if Bitcoin moves by let's say 5% and you use 10x, that means 10 multiplied by 5. That means you'll be gaining by 5 times. So if Bitcoin goes down by 5%, you will also be losing times 5 of what you actually stake. That's why you need to use a minimal leverage. Use what you can afford to lose, because when you use a high leverage, you can easily be liquidated in the market, and that is not a good one. So you can use from 5x, 10x up to 20x. That is what I recommend. Yes, that is what I recommend. Now, having done this you set the leverage size that you want to use. You can see how it's been set. You can use 5x, 2x, whatever that pleases you. So you can see I set my own on 10. I also set on the leverage on short on 10. Now you will hear some language like long. Long means to buy. To buy. If you believe that Bitcoin will go up, you long it. Then if you also believe that Bitcoin will go down, that means you short it. You understand? You short means to sell. Okay, I hope you have understood this term. Okay, the next thing you need to do, having notify all these things and you have already credited money in your futures account, the next thing you need to do, we will see what we call they we have what we call market order. If you have, like now you click on this market, let me put it on limit because it usually come with limit. You understand? Usually come with what? Limit. Now when you click on that limit, you will see limit, market, trigger, trailing stop, and post only. Now let me explain this limit. Limit is that, let's assume you just believe that Bitcoin we get to we come down a little bit, that is 71,300. Then you can put it, you can buy at 70, you just put it 71,300. Look at this place now, you just clean 71,300 point this, that is the amount you want to buy. Then immediately you click, you now place, this is the cost of amount you want to use. Let's assume you want to use, I don't have much money there, I have already staked. So if you want to use 100% or 50% of your capital, this is where you take it. This is where you take it. Hmm? This is where you take it. Then you stake, then you click long. Open long. Then it will open. Once it opens using limit, there is no way that trade will execute. The trade will not execute immediately. The reason is this: because you are buying on limit. Because now the exact market price of Bitcoin is 71,358. As you can see, 71,358. So there is no way you can place trade on 71,300 and execute immediately. That means it has to, price has to come down to that level before it will now execute. Now, so that is for limit. Now if you want it sharp, instant execution, you have to place it on market order. Because sometimes some people will tell me, say, I placed the trade but you did not execute. You did not execute because you placed the trade using limit. Price has not come down to that place. You understand? So if you want it to execute immediately, all you need to do is to do what? Put it on what? Market order. Then select the amount. This is where you select the amount that you want to use. So let's assume you have a $300 and you want to use 25% of the $300. You just put it on 25%. You just put it on 25%. Exactly. And execute there. You go long if you believe that it will buy. But if you believe that it will sell, you click open short. Now another thing, you will move to the next stage, technical analysis, what will actually enables you to see whether you are to buy or you are to sell. Look at these arrows you are seeing here. Look at these two candles you are seeing here. Click on that candle. It will now give you the technical analysis. And now we are looking at 5 minutes chart. We are looking at 5 minutes chart. So on the 5 minutes chart, 5 minutes chart happens to be one of the finest chart we can use to trade in the exchange. So you can see the 5 minutes chart, the market is about to go down. So on this scenario now, I can be shorting the market. Do you understand? You look at 5 minutes chart, the market is is coming down. You can see it's reducing, coming down. 337 is coming down, So now you can also use 15 minutes. 15 minutes is also showing a sign of sell. Then 30 minutes is also showing a sign of a sell sign. Then you can go to more. 1 hour. What is 1 hour showing? Is it going to buy or is it going to sell? You can actually see the trade I put is already on 2.5%. That means I can actually exit this market. You can see it. This is where I pick the trade. It's already on profit. So that is a thing. So the technicality actually helps you to take your bias, whether you are to sell or you are to do what? Buy. So thank you very much. I will see you in another videos to show you more things, how you can be profitable in this cryptocurrency market and how you can be profitable using BingX. BingX happens to have the one of the most finest chart we can ever talk about. So you can try other charts, but I see that their chart is so wonderful. You can see how their chart, it shows you when to buy and when to sell. You can see the B represent buy, that is telling you to buy, and the X is also telling you to sell. That is, and in all this scenario, it actually bought or sold. So yeah, their technical chart is so wonderful. Their technical chart is so wonderful. So as a scalper, you can make use of 5 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, just look at what just happened now. In the 5 minutes candle, the 5 minutes candle just actually bought and covered the same area. You can see where that black something is. It now came back and covered the liquidity void where he actually bought from, and now he's buying again. You can see he's buying again. So that is exactly how you can be profitable using 5 minutes candle. So each of these candle you are seeing here represent the activities of what is happening in the market, and we call it volume, the volume of money that is being thrown in the market. So you can see the 5 minutes is buying. You can use 5 minutes to make a whole lot of money. So I want you to be in the market because we are in the bull season. Counting from now, since Bitcoin have halved, we are in the bull season, and you can see where I picked the trade using 5 minutes. You can see that I'm actually on profit. Yes, I'm making about 2.85%. It's moving. So thank you once again. I want you to like this video, share the video, and make it to go viral. If you do not understand anything, please comment in the comment section. Give me your comment so that I will see areas I need to make improvement for you to understand it more and more. And I want you to share this video so that the video will go viral and help others to learn. And in the next video, I will be showing us how we can be adding stop loss and the take profits in the next video, and many more other things that you can do to make profit. And I will be also be teaching you how you can analyze the market without buying any signal. See you in another wonderful video.